What's up, people? Today we are going to learn about YouTube watch history. So, hello guys, my name is Pooja and you are watching Gossip Funda. So, let's not waste our time in it. Let's go. So, YouTube watch history makes it easy to find videos you recently watched and improves your video recommendations. You can control your watch history by clearing or pausing your history. Any video that you watch while history is paused won't show in your history. They also won't be used to improve your recommendations. How to see YouTube watch history? Open your YouTube app and then at the right bottom you will see a library tab. Click on that. After this, you will find the option of history at the top. Here, you can find your YouTube watch history. Now, let us see how to delete YouTube watch history. First, click on the history and then click on the three dots of the video you want to remove. Then click Remove from watch history. That's it. Isn't it easy? Now, how to recover YouTube watch history? For this, search on Google My Activity and open the link myactivity.google.com. In this, you will find a tab for YouTube history. At the bottom, click on the Manage Activity. Here, you can recover and find your deleted watch history. Now, let us see how to hide YouTube watch history. First, click on the top of the right side. You will find your profile. Then, you will find Turn on Incognito, the seventh option on your profile. By turning this on, your watch history and searches are now hidden from other users. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video and share this with your loved ones. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe Gossip Funda. Bye.